Hey everybody, welcome back to another retardosphere video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make grated Parmesan cheese in a bowl. And this is just something I do personally, and I'll be going through the steps to show you how to make it and prepare it. So without further ado, let's get into it. So it's actually really easy to make Parmesan cheese in a bowl. It's very simple, and you won't need that many things, but you will need some stuff. So I will go ahead and show you what you will need right now. So like I said, there's not that many materials you'll actually need to prepare this tasty dish. What you will need, however, is a bowl, and it can be any kind, it doesn't really matter. You'll need grated Parmesan cheese, of course. You'll need a spoon, it doesn't matter. Plastic, silverware, doesn't matter. And you will need a drink, if you want. Personally, I will be using water as my drink. So that's about it. I will start gathering my materials. First, a bowl. We'll get the Parmesan cheese over at it. Next, spoon. Now this is optional, but I will be having a cold bottle of water with my meal. So now that you've got everything together, let's prepare what I call grated Parmesan cheese in a bowl. So I made an accident here in the last take, so there's a little bit in there. So anyway, what you'll do is you get the Parmesan cheese, and you can put however much you want in there. I think I put a little bit too much for me, but that's okay, because it's really good. And I like to eat it a little at a time. That much, like, let's wash it down with some water. Really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you all enjoy your grated Parmesan cheese in a bowl. So with that being said, I will see all you fellas in the next video.